Managing your circles and people and who you're following is very straightforward in Google+. Basically, much like Twitter, you actually follow other people as opposed to um, Facebook's way of working it, where you actually have friends, specifically who you have to ask to become friends with, basically. So what we can do on here, if I show you first, actually let's just go down to people. Obviously you can find people within your home page that might have posted something interesting, but if I actually go to people here, what we find is that it offers lots of suggestions, and these kind of improve the more people you actually add, who these suggestions actually are. So if I simply add from here, what you will see then is a list of your circles appear, and you can choose to put this person in a particular circle. Now I'll go into the circles first. Actually, let's just add them to the work circle, but then I'll explain how that works. So now Paula will have been added to that circle. So if I go to your circles at the top here, what we see is all of our different circles down here. And what a circle is, as was mentioned in the document, it's basically like a group that you can then choose to share certain things with just that circle and interact with just that group. So for me it's quite straightforward. I use my Google Plus account only for work related things. I'm pretty happy to share everything publicly that I would use this for, so I actually only have one circle, which I've just called work. I created a new circle by just clicking plus here, gave it a name, and then what you can then do is that you can grab individual people and you can drop them into the circles like this. You can actually select all as well here if you wanted to put everybody into a particular circle, but they're already in that one just there. This was just a circle I was playing around with testing, but I'll show you what happens. I can actually delete that circle now, so I don't need it anymore. And people can exist in more than one circle as well. But yeah, I mean, it's up to you how complicated you would want to make this. If you have very specific groups that you do work with, that you would rather separate into individuals, then you can do that. Where this then comes in useful, as I show you here, if I actually come to share something, and I click up here, at the moment it's sharing here by default with work, which is just my group that I have. If I change that down here, I can change that just to public, so that's going to share with anybody who views my profile, or I could choose any of my other circles here as well, or also any of my communities actually as well. You can also share with in that way. But it's quite simple to manage. Just as I say, just go through people just here. Obviously you can add new people. You can search for people individually if you've got their email address, or just want to search by their name and add those people and start following them. Or obviously then you can build up your circles here at the top.